Welcome to the Stock Market Daily News Podcast. Today is December 26, 2025. Here's your quick roundup of yesterday's key market action, must-know headlines, and the stories shaping the trading landscape. To kick things off, the S&P 500 edged slightly lower, closing at 4,862, down about 0.2%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average posted a modest gain, settling at 38,230, while the Nasdaq dipped by about 0.3%, finishing at 15,178. It was a quiet session as investors digested mixed signals from the tech sector and eyed upcoming year-end positioning. Our top story headline: Microsoft took center stage after 2 years of lagging behind other tech giants. Plus, an under-the-radar artificial intelligence infrastructure play is catching Wall Street's attention for the new year. Let's break it all down. First up, Microsoft shares stayed virtually flat at $309.70 yesterday as investors weighed analyst Dan Ives' bullish new price target of $625 for 2026. Microsoft's slower 2025 performance, up just about 15% year-to-date, has been blamed on rising AI capital spending and competition from Alphabet's Gemini platform. Still, 30 analysts have labeled Microsoft a strong buy, highlighting new opportunities in cloud growth and a surprisingly robust dividend yield among tech giants. If you're tracking big tech, Microsoft's underperformance might offer a buying window. Next, let's spotlight a fast-rising AI infrastructure firm, Nebius, ticker NBIS. The Amsterdam-based provider of AI-optimized data centers soared 14% on Wednesday, settling just above $136 after Dan Ives named it his top acquisition pick for the next year. Nebius has surged over 200% this year after landing major contracts with Microsoft and Meta. While the company's revenue multiplied more than threefold to nearly $146 million last quarter, losses widened as Nebius ramped up investment in new capacity. The message for investors: demand for AI infrastructure is booming, but with high growth comes high expectations and risk if execution slips. Turning to the broader AI sector, NVIDIA inched up to $503.50 amid continued enthusiasm for next-generation GPU rollouts, including its partnership with Nebius. But sector valuations remain frothy, with many AI-related stocks now trading at aggressive price-to-sales multiples. Cautious investors may want to monitor upcoming earnings for signs that revenue growth can justify these premium valuations. On the macro front, economic data remained mixed, with new jobless claims ticking slightly higher but still near multi-year lows, suggesting ongoing labor market resilience. Treasury yields held steady, reflecting the Federal Reserve's patient stance heading into the first quarter of 2026. That backdrop could support further rotation into value and dividend-paying stocks as we approach year-end rebalancing. To recap, the S&P 500 closed at 4,862, the Dow ended at 38,230, and the Nasdaq finished at 15,178. The day's themes: tech rotation, surging AI infrastructure demand, and a steady labor market offer plenty to watch as we move toward the last trading days of the year. Earnings from several tech firms and fresh economic data are on deck in the week ahead. Thanks for tuning in. For more updates and in-depth analysis, subscribe and follow us for your daily dose of market action. Happy investing, and we'll see you tomorrow on Stock Market Daily News.